Modern house and lot na laging sold out. May good news ako para sa'yo. Phase 3 is now open for reservation. Welcome to Amaresa, Marilao. Amaresa, Marilao na along the road. Paglabas mo ng subdivision ay may sakay na pa Manila, Cubao at Monumento. 100% flood-free ang location nito at malayo sa fault line. Ang Amaresa, Marilao ay boundary lang ng San Jose del Monte and Marilao, Bulacan. Just near Muzon Terminal, Divine Mercy, Muzon General Hospital, Muzon Market, SM Tungko or SM San Jose del Monte, and just 15 to 20 minutes away from ongoing MRT7 station. Nag-o-offer kami dito ng 4 modern single-touch house na fully finished at kakasya mapa-small or big family pa. Kayla Prime na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and high ceiling living area. Meron itong 96 square meter lot area at 94 square meter na floor area. Aria Prime na may 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, and family area na convertible into additional bedroom. Meron itong minimum lot area na 96 square meter at 99 square meter na floor area. Amara Expanded na may 3 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and with attic. Meron itong minimum lot area na 110 square meter at 147 square meter na floor area. At ang pinakamalaking house model natin na si Alexandria. Meron itong 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and with attic pa. Meron itong minimum lot area na 130 square meter at 174 square meter na floor area. Para naman sa activities ng buong pamilya, may amenities tayo na pwedeng ma-enjoy ng bawat family members. Meron tayong pool, clubhouse, playground, guardhouse at mga landscape parks. Malalawak din ang kalsada ng bawat street sa loob ng subdivision. Available ito through bank and in-house financing. Developer assisted na rin ito. Magsasabit na lang kayo ng requirements at kami na ang bahala sa approval ng loan mo. Ako nga pala si Cristan Lera. Message mo ko, tutulungan kitang magkabahay. Tara!